Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your physics teacher. Today I deliver a lecture on chapter number 10, question number 10.1. What is a simple harmonic motion? What are the necessary conditions for a body to execute simple harmonic motion? Answer: simple harmonic motion. When an object oscillates about mean position, its acceleration is directly proportional to its displacement from mean position, and it's always directed towards mean position. Its motion is called simple harmonic motion. Requirement for simple harmonic motion: there are two requirements for oscillating system has restoring force. Second, oscillating system has inertia. Necessary condition for simple harmonic motion: there are four main conditions which are necessary for a system executing simple harmonic motion. The oscillating system must have inertia. Second, the oscillating system must obey the Hooke's law. The oscillating system must have elastic restoring force. The system should be frictionless.